In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate ClickUp with Notion, step by step, so you can connect your task management workflow with your documentation and planning systems seamlessly. If you're using ClickUp to manage tasks and Notion to organize notes, databases, or project dashboards, this integration can save you a lot of time and keep everything in sync. We'll go through the full process together, and by the end of this video, you'll have ClickUp successfully connected to Notion. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. To get started, open your ClickUp account in your browser and make sure you're logged in to the workspace where you want to enable the integration. Once you're inside ClickUp, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where ClickUp stores all workspace level options, including integrations and connections to other tools. After clicking on Settings, a new panel will open with several options listed on the left-hand side. From here, find and click on Connections. This section is where ClickUp allows you to manage integrations with external apps like Notion, Slack, Google Drive, and many others. Inside the Connections area, you may see a short list of popular integrations. Go ahead and click on Connections again if prompted, and then select the option that says See All. This will display the full directory of available integrations that ClickUp supports. Once the full list loads, scroll through until you find Notion. When you see it, click on the Connect button next to Notion. ClickUp will now begin the authorization process to link your Notion account. At this point, a new window or pop-up will appear, asking you to sign into Notion if you're not already logged in. Choose the correct Notion account, then review the permissions being requested. These permissions allow ClickUp to access specific pages or databases so the integration can function properly. When you're ready, click Allow to approve the connection. After authorization is complete, ClickUp and Notion will be officially connected. From here, you can start using the integration to link tasks to Notion pages, embed ClickUp tasks inside Notion, or reference Notion content directly within ClickUp, depending on your workflow needs. It's a good idea to test the integration right away. Try linking a ClickUp task to a Notion page or embedding a task view inside Notion to confirm everything is working correctly. If something doesn't sync as expected, you can always return to the Connection section in ClickUp to review or adjust the integration settings. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ClickUp with Notion, making it easier to manage tasks and documentation in one connected system. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more productivity and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.